wake up, the sun is shining bright. Spotty stretches his paws, ready for delight. He wags his tail, he spins around. Happy little pup, the joy is found. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark, hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray.
Emergency at Snowflake
In
Plaza.
the garden,
Let's
he
roll.
sniffs, sniffs, sniffing flowers and the bees that whiff. Chasing butterflies, hopping high. Spotty leaps, he touches the sky. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark, hooray. Come along and laugh, hip,
But the report
hip,
said this
hooray.
address. Where is the fire?
I don't see anything, Captain.
Down
Maybe
by
it
the
was a false
pond,
alarm.
He sees a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, hopping on the log. Splash in the water, shake off the rain. Spotty the pup runs home again. Rolling in leaves, crunch, crunch, crunch. He sniffs the snacks. Munch, munch, munch. Every day's fun when Spotty is near. Clap your hands, let's all cheer. At the park, friends come by. Cats and pups all saying happy hey. Fetch the ball, zoom, zoom, zoom. Spotty's tail wags, boom, boom, boom. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark, hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark, hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Now the sun sets, it's time to rest. Spotty curls up, he's done his best. Dreaming of adventures new and bright. See you tomorrow for more delight.
Snowy no.
Wake up, the sun is shining bright. Spotty stretches his paws, ready for delight. He wags his tail, he spins around. Happy little pup, the joy is found. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark, hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray.
Happy holidays, everyone. We're on patrol tonight.
And we wish you a safe and peaceful Christmas.
Officer Spotty, we have a situation. Mrs. Gingerbread reports that her Christmas cookies are missing.
Stomping on the ground.
Someone stole cookies on Christmas. That's the biggest crime of the season.
Across the land, jingle in the air tonight. Sprinkle stars so big and bright. Santa's sleigh is taking flight. Merry Christmas feels just right. Gingerbread houses, frosting high. Reindeer zooming through the sky. Little voices laugh and sing.
Sugar
The joy
cookies
of Christmas, everything.
with extra sprinkles. This is serious.
The scent is really strong right here.
Be careful, Spotty. The tracks look fresh.
Officer Spotty, are you investigating the bench now?
I was checking it for cookie-related evidence.
Gosh, this trail just keeps going. I wonder what's around the next bend.
We'll find out soon enough. The overlook is just past these pines.
Jingle in the air tonight. Twinkle stars so big and bright. Santa's sleigh is taking flight. Merry Christmas feels just
Caught Red Pod! can't steal cookies, even if they smell yummy.
Snowflakes twirl, they spin, they glide. Reindeer waiting for their ride.
We found him just down the street. He seems very gentle.
What a sweet little thing. Come on in, both of you. Oh, look at you. Go ahead, there's plenty more where that came from. Here you go, officers. A little something to warm you up.
Thank you kindly, Mrs. Gingerbread.
Oh boy, warm cocoa. Thanks.
Justice is served, and so are cookies.
And the Christmas Police Patrol saves the day again.
Frosty windows, frost on your nose. Dancing lights, the magic.
The lights look extra sparkly tonight, Snowy.
They certainly do, Spotty. It feels very peaceful.
Isn't this the best day ever, Snowy? The snow is perfect.
It truly is. Everything looks so beautiful and peaceful.
Wow, that was the best cocoa ever, wasn't it, Snowy? I feel all warm inside.
Yes, Spotty. It was delightful.
The pie, Santa's laugh fills up the sky. Ho, 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 his sleigh takes flight. Merry wishes to all tonight. Jingle all day, jingle all night. Sparkling stars shining so bright. Jingle all day, sing it out loud. Happiest kids in the merriest crowd. Jingle all day, jingle all night. Sparkling stars shining so bright. Jingle
Careful
all
now.
day,
Don't want to mess up the brim.
happiest
Nicely
kids in the
done.
merriest
It feels good to
crowd.
relax.
I got one. Look, a squeaky toy.
Oh, that's lovely, Spotty. I found a bone.
Dad, it's really snowing. Can we build a snowman later?
Of course we can, buddy. It's beautiful, isn't it? All right, Snowy. Time to protect the city.
Ready when you are, Spotty.
Spotty, a youthful beagle, and Snowy, a gentle Siberian husky, walk out the door.
Snowy! Snowy! We've got an emergency! Let's save the day!
ever. Let's roll.
Spotty, did you swallow a rock or what? No, I'm hungry. Let's go to the kitchen and cook something. What? I turned into a steamed bun.
You do look adorable like that.
Spotty, I'm a cat, not a frying pan.
Sorry, but you still look super cute.
Spotty, the kitchen looks like the North Pole. Well, I love winter. Ta-da! Squeaky clean! Oh, Spotty, you're making a mess of those bubbles.
Next time, let's cook something simple, okay?
Yeah, something without eggs, cream, bowls, flour. So, fruit? Fruit.
Perfect.
Look at all the stars, Snowy.
They are so beautiful tonight, Spotty.
Spotty,
Let's play with the yellow toy car today.
Let's go, Snowy! I've got tons of energy today.
Today, I'm the super driver.
Hop on, Snowy!
Drive carefully. I just finished grooming my fur. Faster, Spotty! Hold on tight! Tight knot!
Scared yet, little white fluff?
Keep driving like that and I'll lose my silky fur. Snowy, catch these!
Snowy! Are you okay?
I'm fine, but that bull definitely hates me. I smell it. The delicious cookie is right here.
Oh my gosh, Snowy! That jump was incredible!
If you scare me again, I'll turn into a bouncing snowball. Today was one of the best days ever.
Every day is fun when I'm with you.
Let's play again tomorrow.
Well, what are we sailing for? Let's go! I haven't got all day. Let's search for treasure today.
seriously need to lose some weight.
Save Milky! Geronimo!
Seriously? I thought it was gold.
Let's sleep first.
Wake up, the sun is shining bright. Spotty stretches his paws, ready for delight. He wags his tail, he spins around. Happy little
Adventure time, Milky. We'll start at the big oak tree, and then we check for squirrels.
Sounds perfect, Dusty. Race you there.
puddles run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark, hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. In the garden he sniffs, 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 sniffing the flowers and the bees that whiff, chasing butterflies, hopping high. Spotty leaps, he touches the sky.
Officer Spotty, are you ready for the Christmas patrol?
Absolutely! No Christmas chaos on our watch.
Suspicious sound detected.
Let's investigate. Let's investigate!
Hurry! The tree is just ahead. We have to secure the perimeter.
Right before the elves get all the cookies.
It's getting away. We have to catch it.
My walkie-talkie says it has diplomatic immunity. Stop right there.
Mama! Right there! I got it! I got it! This is the best Christmas ever!
Sure it is, Rookie. Try not to eat the wrapping paper.
Woohoo! Suspect apprehended, sir.
All right, Spotty. Just make sure the suspect isn't you again. You really committed to this snowdrift, didn't you?
Okay, pull! I'm helping. I'm wiggling.
Officer Spotty, did the snow attack you?
No. But it definitely resisted arrest.
Go! It's getting away.
Relax. I practically invented catching presents.
He's really fast.
Control, we have a possible 1050. Reckless hopping near the gingerbread stand.
It wasn't a criminal.
It was a malfunctioning Santa.
Operation Santa's Helper is a success. We brought him in.
And I think he brought the entire sleigh's worth of bells with him.
Wow, thank you so much. These look amazing.
We appreciate your help, officers. Enjoy the treats.
Wow, this bone cookie is the best reward ever.
It certainly beats chasing those reindeer.
Look at how shiny my badge is. I am the bravest police dog ever.
It's very reflective. Maybe it can double as a mirror.
Christmas Police Patrol has saved the night.
Reporting for duty, sir. All the toys are secure.
Good work, officer. Try not to chew the evidence this time.
And no snowman was harmed in the process. Best Christmas ever in Pine Bell. I love patrol duty.
Try to contain your excitement, Spotty. The hat is slipping again.
Pine Bell Street. Let's keep this Christmas cheer orderly. No excessive jingling. Pine Bell Street, they said. It'll be charming, they said. Now where did that oversized candy cane go? Are you ready for this mission, Snowy?
I was born ready. Let's get moving.
Stop, you runaway present! You're surrounded by snow and I'm very fast! Honestly, did you really think you could get away from me? Looks like this package is officially detained. You won't be running away anymore.
Hold tight, Snowy.
Spotty, let's race down.
Are you sure? It's pretty tall for a kitten.
I'm small, not scared.
Three, two, one.
Here we go. I'm a snowball. Whee! Woohoo! That was so magic! Let's fly it!
Woohoo! Hold tight, Snowy. This is the best wind ever.
I'm trying, Spotty, but it's really strong. You got it, Snowy. Just try not to fall on my face this time. If I just stretch a little more, I can grab that kite. We're flying! We're flying!
No, we're not. Put your claws away.
I'm getting dizzy, Spotty.
Too fast! Too fast! Whoa! The ground is all wavy!
Hey, are you feeling all right there, Snowy?
I saw 3 Spotties. Maybe 4.
Boop.
Oh, Spotty, that tickles.
Nothing beats ice cream at sunset, right, Snowy?
It's so creamy. I love it.
This is the best strawberry swirl ever.
You've got some on your nose, Spotty.
All gone.
Want a lick, Snowy?
Today was fun. Let's come back tomorrow.
Absolutely! Best park day ever!
Wow, look at them all. They're everywhere. Can we catch one, Spotty? Just one. This was the best day ever. I'm so sleepy now.
Good night, Spotty. Wow, look at all the squirrels. And a giant chew toy.
It's so fluffy. I want to bat it.
Wake up, the sun is shining bright. Spotty stretches his paws, ready for delight. He wags his tail, he spins around. Happy little pup, the joy is found. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. In the garden he sniffs, 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 sniffing flowers and the bees that whiff, chasing butterflies, hopping high. Spotty leaps, he touches the sky. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Down by the pond he sees a frog. Ribbit, ribbit, hopping on a log. Splash in the water, shake off the rain. Spotty the pup runs home again. Rolling in leaves, crunch, crunch, crunch. He sniffs the snacks, munch, munch, munch. Every day's fun when Spotty is near. Clap your hands, let's all cheer. At the park, friends come by. Cats and pups all say hi, hi. Fetch the ball, zoom, zoom, zoom. Spotty's tail wags, boom, boom, boom. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, adventures new and bright. See you tomorrow for more delight.
I told you to stay quiet. One more sound and you'll regret it. Get back here, you useless mutt! I told you not to move from that corner. Get out! Don't you ever come back here, you hear me?
Wake up, the sun is shining bright. Spotty
All right,
stretches
fella,
his paws,
let's head down to the
ready for
south
delight.
field.
He
Go take a
wags
look.
his tail, he spins around. Happy little pup, the joy is found. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. And he sniffs, 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 sniffing flowers and the bees that whiff, chasing butterflies, hopping high. Spotty leaps, he touches the sky. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Down by the pond he sees a frog, ribbit, ribbit, hopping on a log. Splash in the water, shake off the rain. Spotty the pup runs home again. Rolling in leaves, crunch, crunch, crunch. He sniffs the snacks, munch, munch, munch. Every day's fun when Spotty is near. Clap your hands, let's all cheer. At the park, friends come by, cats and pups all saying hi, hi, hi. Fetch the ball, zoom, zoom, zoom. Spotty's tail wags, boom, boom, boom. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Spotty, Spotty, let's go play. Jump in the puddles, run all day. Spotty, Spotty, bark hooray. Come along and laugh, hip, hip, hooray. Now the sun sets, it's time to rest. Spotty curls up, he's done his best. Dreaming of adventures new and bright. See you tomorrow for more delight.
He caught it!
Hey, look at Spotty.
Good dog. Bring it here.
Running in the yard, then he rolls on the floor, wagging his tail, he's so full of cheer. Everyone laughs when Spotty is near. Spotty, Spotty, dance around, spin in circles, jump up and down. Spotty, Spotty, clap your paws, sing with me, let's have a blast. He barks woof woof in the morning sun, chasing butterflies. Oh, what fun! Playing with friends.
Let's make the garden prettier.
Guys, I don't think that's how gardening works.
Look! Orange sticks!
Why is the sky throwing snacks at me?
Look! I'm a chocolate dog now.
Good enough. What happened to my garden? But tomorrow, you're ALL taking a bath.
We have a new mission. Someone stole my breakfast bone.
According to my calculations, the migratory patterns of the monarch butterfly are shifting due to climate change.
Fascinating. Wake me when it affects the kibble supply.
I found paw prints, but they look like yours, boss. Obviously, the thief wants to frame me.
See? I knew you'd agree that quantum physics explains why the frisbee disappears.
Yeah, science. Is it snack time yet? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at all these tracks. They lead straight to the chickens. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna catch him.
This egg smells like chicken.
Because it is a chicken egg. Genius.
Fascinating data. The pecking order hierarchy is directly correlated with feed consumption. Note that down immediately.
Just as I suspected. Only a fool would leave such an obvious trail for me, the great boss Spot, to follow.
Observe the trajectory of this dewdrop, Speedy. It confirms my hypothesis regarding the great snail caper.
The thief must be close.
Ma'am, did you steal Boss Spotty's bone? Observe the capillary action here, Speedy. The clay wicks the moisture, providing optimal hydration for the geraniums.
Got him. The evidence clearly points to this location. And now, for the reveal. Case closed.
So, the thief was Boss Spot.
Detectives, this case is now classified.
Observe the trajectory of our return. Flawless execution, truly.
I want to go again. That was so fast. Let's run faster next time.
Only a true professional knows how to handle evidence this delicate. Observe and learn. Tomorrow, team, we investigate the case of the vanishing cookies.
According to my calculations, this is highly improbable yet thrilling.
Stop with the calculations, Smarty. We gotta move.
Detective Squad forever.
By exactly 2.5 centimeters. According to my calculations, the crumb displacement...
A case of the missing cookies. This is an outrage.
Observation confirms the hypothesis. The subject's resting metabolic rate is surprisingly low. I'll just jot that down in Chapter 3.
Chicken! Did you eat the cookies?
I found them! I found the cookies! Oh boy, look at all these cookies! They're mine!
Cluck, cluck. I ate the cookies. We graciously accept this offering. See that you keep them coming as we oversee this operation.
Note the precise distribution of the chocolate morsels. Absolutely fascinating. According to my calculations, the culprit clearly approached from the southeast quadrant. See? The data is irrefutable.
Cluck, we're going this way, Egghead. Cluck, cluck. Next case, the missing squeaky toy. They put the squeaky toy right there. I shall investigate with extreme prejudice. Well, that was disappointing. Wait! I've got it! The evidence clearly points to.
Yes, it appears we're not done yet.